send me a message and I didn't answer it? Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Robert's home!
Hey, Robert!
What? Oh my god! Did you know?
Yeah.
What? The house is a pit!
Oh, please.
Oh my god!
Robert, how are you? How are you? Coming out. Sarah, how are you? Sorry, nice to hold you, please.
No, it's okay.
She's still in shock.
What the hell? Who did you think was talking to you when you came in the room? I couldn't see
I love the
him.
fact anybody can walk in. No big
Wait a
deal.
minute, I couldn't see him.
I heard the car door, but I looked out and didn't see anyone.
Well, I went there.
Who's there? Oh my god! Sarah, did you